For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're someone who enjoys fresh, homemade pasta like I do, the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐿𝐒 stainless steel pasta maker is a solid tool worth keeping on your kitchen counter. The first time I used it, I wasn't sure what to expect, but after rolling the dough through the thickness setting number 5, I got perfect lasagna sheets, smooth and even, without tearing. Built with durable stainless steel, this manual pasta maker feels heavy-duty and dependable. It's not just a kitchen gadget, it's something that actually makes cooking more fun. What makes this stand out for me is the adjustability. With 9 different thickness settings, from 1 mm to 4 mm, and 2 blade sizes, 2.0 mm and 4.0 mm, it covers everything from delicate vermicelli to rich fettuccine. I've even used it for linguine on a Saturday night when I had guests over, and they couldn't stop talking about how fresh it tasted. As someone who's experimented with both store-bought and handmade pasta, I can tell you the difference in texture is real. Operating the machine is simple. The hand crank rotates smoothly, and the table clamp keeps the unit steady while rolling. Even if you're not experienced with pasta making, this doesn't feel complicated. I've read advice from a couple of chefs who say consistency is key, and this machine really helps with that. It gives you control without needing any fancy skills. Cleanup is also something I appreciate. The parts come apart easily, the crank, table clamp, and double cutter all detach without fuss. I just rinse them under water and wipe them dry. It doesn't take up much space either. I store mine in a lower kitchen drawer, and it fits just fine, which is great when you're tight on space. This machine opens the door to making so many types of pasta: spaghetti, lasagna, ravioli, tagliatelle, you name it. And when you're making your own dough, you know exactly what's going in. I prefer using simple flour and eggs, and sometimes mix in spinach or beet puree for a twist. It feels good knowing you're serving something clean and fresh. The 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐿𝐒 pasta maker isn't just a tool, it's part of the experience. It gives you more than results, it gives you confidence in the kitchen. Whether you're trying homemade pasta for the first time or you've been doing it for years, this machine helps you get it right every time. Looking for a frying pot that actually gets the job done without the mess? Let me introduce you to the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐿𝐒 deep fryer pot. This 11-inch, 4.2-liter Japanese-style tempura fryer has honestly become a go-to in my kitchen. Whether it's French fries, chicken, shrimp, or even donuts, this thing handles it all, and I've personally used it for weekend fry-ups with the kids. High-quality construction. Made with 304 stainless steel, this fryer pot isn't just about looks, it's built to last. It can take high heat without warping and spreads that heat evenly, which really makes a difference when you're frying. I've used it on my induction stove and even tried it on a gas burner at a friend's. It worked great on both. That kind of versatility matters if you cook in different setups. Smart temperature control. What I love is the built-in thermometer. I used to guess when my oil was hot enough, and ended up with either burnt or soggy food. Now I just keep an eye on the dial, and it's stress-free. Heads up, though, if you drop in too much food at once, your oil temp will dip. That's normal, but it's good to know if you're frying in batches. Oil drain and easy cleanup. Once the food is done, I just set it on the oil drip rack. No more greasy paper towels everywhere. The oil drains right back into the pot. It also makes cleanup super simple. I usually let it cool, remove the rack, add a little dish soap and water, give it a quick wipe, and it's good as new. That stainless steel really holds up well. Smart lid design. The lid has actually saved me a few times from oil splatter. When I'm frying something like wings, I just pop the lid on and it keeps things clean and safe. Then when the food is ready, I set it right on the lid rack. It drains the oil and stays crispy. Pouring out leftover oil is smooth too, thanks to the spout design. No drips down the side or messy counters. Warranty and peace of mind. This pot comes with a 1-year quality warranty, which gave me some confidence when buying. And I did check, each unit is inspected before shipping. So far, mine's held up really well. If I ever have an issue, I know I can reach out for support. If you're tired of cluttered egg cartons sliding around your fridge, you're not alone. I used to deal with that mess all the time. That's why I switched to this auto-rolling fridge egg organizer, and honestly, it's been a total upgrade to my kitchen setup. Whether you're cooking daily or just want a cleaner fridge, this is one of those simple changes that makes a big difference. Maximize your fridge space. With its 4-tier stackable design, this organizer holds up to 30 eggs while saving tons of shelf space. I live in a small apartment with a compact fridge, and this tray fits perfectly, freeing up room for other essentials like meal prep containers or leftovers. It works just as well in larger fridges, too. Smart auto-rolling system. What I love most is the auto-rolling feature. It gently slides each egg forward as you take one. No more eggs getting lost at the back or guessing which ones are oldest. I bake regularly, and this system has helped me rotate my eggs properly and reduce waste. Plus, it's super satisfying to use. Fits any lifestyle. This tray holds 30 eggs, making it ideal for big families, bakers, or anyone who buys in bulk. On weekends, I usually grab a fresh dozen from the farmer's market, and this organizer easily handles the load without me juggling multiple cartons. Easy maintenance. Cleaning is simple. I just wipe it down with warm water and mild soap, and it's good to go. I've done this a few times already, no fading, no wear. It's nice knowing it stays clean and hygienic without much effort. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill. I have to say, it's been a game changer in my kitchen. If you're someone who loves cooking at home but doesn't always want to deal with the mess of traditional grills and griddles, this product is worth considering. Let me break it down for you, based on my own experience. 3 ways to cook. This is one of the things I love most about this electric grill and griddle combo. You've got 2 reversible cooking plates. One side is smooth, perfect for griddling things like pancakes, eggs, or sandwiches. The other side is ridged, so it's ideal for grilling steaks, chicken, or vegetables. The flexibility of being able to switch between a full indoor grill, a full griddle, or even using half of each side at once is so convenient. I remember the first time I used it, I was able to cook breakfast, eggs and sausage, on one side, while grilling some veggies and chicken on the other. It saved me so much time. Great for cooking every meal. From breakfast to dinner, this product really shines. I've made everything from scrambled eggs and bacon in the morning to quesadillas for lunch and steak with asparagus for dinner. I found that with the adjustable temperature control, I can easily change the settings to get the best results for each meal. The versatility is one of the main reasons I keep reaching for this appliance. For instance, I love using it to make grilled cheese sandwiches, just the right amount of crispiness without the mess. It's also perfect for grilling burgers on a lazy Sunday. 2 cooking zones. This feature is a total win in my book. With the 1400 watt power and 2 separate cooking zones, each with independent heat controls, you can cook 2 different things at once, without worrying about one side overcooking while the other side stays cold. Each side can go up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough for everything I've cooked so far. I found this especially handy when I'm cooking for a group. Just last week, I used both sides to cook breakfast for my family. One side was griddling pancakes, while the other side was grilling sausages. It made everything come together perfectly. Easy cleanup. Another feature that stood out to me was how easy it is to clean. The double-sided cooking plates are dishwasher safe, which is a huge bonus. I've used this a lot, and after every cook, I just pop them in the dishwasher. The drip tray, which catches any excess fat or oils, also goes into the dishwasher. It's one of those products that not only makes cooking easier, but also makes cleanup a breeze. It's definitely one of those kitchen gadgets that's become a staple in my home. I've used it regularly for months now, and it's been incredibly reliable. Whether you're a beginner or someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, this product brings great value and convenience. It's versatile, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who enjoys a stress-free cooking experience.
For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Multifunctionality and convenience. The 14/16-in-1 multifunctional vegetable chopper is designed to simplify meal preparation by offering multiple cutting, slicing, dicing, and grating options in one tool. Made from durable ABS plus PP plastic and featuring stainless steel blades, it ensures efficiency and precision. Its compact design allows for easy storage, keeping all parts organized and accessible, making it ideal for busy kitchens. Ease of use and cleaning. This chopper is user-friendly, allowing quick blade changes for different cutting styles. With a simple press-down mechanism, users can chop various ingredients with minimal effort. Cleaning is easy as the removable parts can be washed under 60 degrees Celsius water, but it should not be placed in the dishwasher to prevent damage. The thoughtful design reduces mess, making cleanup hassle-free. Versatility for various ingredients. Perfect for slicing onions, dicing tomatoes, grating cheese, or julienning carrots, this tool is a must-have for home cooks, busy individuals, and health-conscious eaters. It ensures uniform cuts for better presentation and even cooking. Whether preparing salads, stir-fries, or garnishes, this vegetable chopper enhances efficiency in the kitchen while maintaining high performance and durability. Healthier cooking with less oil. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 allows users to enjoy crispy, delicious meals with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Its air frying technology ensures food stays crispy on the outside while using minimal oil. With a temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers precise control for frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating food. 4-in-1 cooking versatility. This air fryer is more than just for frying. It features 4 cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The 4-quart non-stick basket can hold up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it great for small families. The dehydrate function removes moisture at a low temperature, perfect for making homemade chips and dried fruit. Compact design and easy cleaning. The compact yet spacious design makes it ideal for any kitchen. Cleanup is simple, with a dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate, and the exterior can be easily wiped clean. It comes with a 20-recipe booklet, helping users explore new meal ideas. Whether cooking frozen foods, vegetables, or juicy meats, the Ninja Air Fryer ensures quick, healthy, and flavorful meals. Touchless technology for better hygiene. The 200 ml automatic soap dispenser is designed with an infrared motion sensor, allowing users to get soap without touching the device. This reduces the spread of germs and ensures a more hygienic experience. Whether used for liquid soap, sanitizer, or detergent, the automatic dispensing system delivers the right amount every time, making it a convenient choice for homes, offices, and commercial spaces. Durable, waterproof, and efficient design. Built with ABS plus PC plastic, this dispenser is compact, 7,094,188 mm, yet durable. Its IPX6/IPX7 waterproof rating protects it from water splashes, making it ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. The 200 ml capacity minimizes the need for frequent refills, while the transparent design allows users to monitor soap levels. Powered by 4 1.5V dry batteries, not included, it offers cord-free convenience, making placement flexible in any setting. Perfect for homes, offices, and businesses. This automatic soap dispenser is a practical solution for maintaining cleanliness in households, offices, restaurants, hospitals, and public places. Its hands-free operation makes it ideal for high-traffic areas, preventing cross-contamination. With a modern and compact build, this dispenser is a reliable and efficient choice for anyone looking to enhance hygiene and convenience in daily life.